This stylish installation at a new high-end dental clinic demonstrates skilled craftsmanship. The brass details of the floor, base, desk, and planter, all complemented by textured carpet stone walls and an undulating ceiling, come together in one flowing modern design. The curving 22.5-foot desk in the lobby is clad in precast epoxy terrazzo. An innovative technique allowed the contractor to pour terrazzo on convex and concave surfaces and inlay brass dividers to precisely match the desk design to the floor. Terrazzo was poured directly on a metal and wood structure so that after grinding and polishing, the desk resembles a solid block of terrazzo. Fabricating the precast lobby desk was completed in 3 modules, approximately 7.5 feet each, with straight and curved inlays in brass. The transportation, handling, aligning, and fitting in place of the modules of the lobby desk, together with the final leveling and adjusting to compensate for the flatness deviation, was challenging. A mix of Italian marble chips in sizes 0 to 3 was specified, with added mother of pearl in the perimeter strip between the brass lines. Congratulations, and a Judge's Choice International Award goes to Aragon of Bucharest, Romania, for this lovely project at the Neoclinique in Bucharest.